Okay, so now that I've eliminated the water pump, I've got one flange for the electric water pump already. Shit. It's tight. I gotta weld this on. So there's room to run the pipes. And then just weld up the wastegate and the downpipe. So now that I did that, I am going to take off this water pump also and go with an electric water pump. But this engine is not going to be in this car anyway, but it's going to be a different car, a different engine. At 20B. So that's what the plan is for this shit. Get rid of a lot of the headaches. I was holding it. That's it. It's the only thing I have to make accommodations for will be the alternator. I gotta just reroute the belts. And that will be that. So now the cars will look simple. I bought one adapter already. I need to buy 3 more for the other cars.